This one's already unboxed, as one can see. But this is in my opinion, the best version of the Kain right here. The what do we got here? The 102 AIMO. I call this the Panda Edition. My initial coverage of this, Roccat did retweet. Felt good. But yeah, this mouse I really like. I was using this for a number of weeks.
Now with 37% more cable flex, dude.
You know those stats, those amazing stats.
Nice, nice, man.
It's just a rubber cable. To be truthful, I still just prefer standard, just rubber cables. Because I've actually found those shoestring ones get caught on shit, in my opinion. But
unless you have
that's why it's an opinion.
Animals that chew on your cables.
But yeah, this is my preferred Kain. Got the nice rubber grips on her rather than the like rubberized sides, and I just really like how
it's more broken in. Feels a little. Doesn't feel quite as crisp.
I mean, I did use it for a couple of months. Beat the crap out of it for a couple of months.
That wheel feels a little less defined compared to the other one, which I mean it's fresh out of the box. So yeah, side grips. So yeah, I can see that. I can see why you wanted one of these versus the standard one. You don't like just the.
Well, it's hard plastic and rubber rather than rubberized.
Different.
And my
UV coated or whatever they do to the.
You gotta remember my hands when I use that rubberized plastic, just like.
Well, the main buttons I think right here. This is normally the same texture that they would have on the other mice.
Yeah, because they only rubberized the bobby. Yep.
And then this is
just straight up like
whatever. It looks like the grips that I had that were for guns.
Yep. But I really like it's pretty light too comparatively. Like it's lighter than the 120 and the 200. If I recall.
Grams or something like 89, I think it said in the box.
Yeah. So even though the sensor's lower end, the sensor is still plenty okay.
I'm pretty certain it's the same sensor that's in the 200.
I think it might be a lower one than even that. I know it's worse than the 120 though. I know for a fact it is.
The 120 is like the 3380.
But either way, it's still plenty good. I like the Panda. I like the Panda look of it. That's why I was ready out of the box because I was waiting to get this one for how long?
You've been telling me about that for at least
and then
6 months.
Could finally get it. And I actually got it through Amazon, and it was on sale. I got it for $22.
Wow, that's not bad.
Yeah. So. Highly recommended for $22. By the way, the LG G6 is pretty shit at focusing, guys. So these are super fast videos anyway. If you guys have any questions on the differences between the 200, the 120, and the 102, Squares and I, between the two of us, own multiples of all of them.
You have a few more than what I got, though. Like,
what are you saying that this is a couple mice? I don't know what you're talking about.
I mean, I got about.
Well, I was saying in regards to the Kain, like you have the 200, and you had the 120.
I think I might still have a 120 somewhere.
Somewhere? I don't have my 120 anymore. I think it got returned for the 200.
Nothing wrong with that.
Especially once I got the 102, right here. This is the one I
think the big thing about that is just the shape.
Yeah.
And the clicks.
Oh, and the scroll wheel too. Such a nice.
Yo.
Listen.
Roccat, they definitely have good wheels. That's for sure.
And like it has the separated clicks. When they redesigned this one, they did like they finally designed a new mouse from scratch, whereas Rockat's kind of been known in the past for just making like one design and like.
Yeah, I mean they still use that old design that they had for it, but like that's definitely.
They finally made a new one, and I like it.
Yeah, kind of bland, but like comfy as hell. Once you get your hands.
It's a bigger, squarer moose.
Mm-hmm.
So.
Less bias, I would say, for like grip style. Is what it seems like.
Check out the Kain. It is in some stores. I've seen it before. Mm-hmm. You know, your Micro Centers, your Best Buys, they have them. Mm-hmm. I don't know if they'll have they probably won't have the 102 since I had to struggle to get that guy. Mm-hmm. They'll definitely have the 120 or the 200 though. Mm-hmm. And you can at least try the shape and then wait for your Amazon sale and get yourself 102. Use my affiliate link.
Mm-hmm.
All right, on the next. We'll see you in the next video, guys.